Hey guys, today we are making sweet potato salad. I love today's sweet potato salad recipe because number one, it's super easy to make it. I'm gonna show you a shortcut that you're gonna love on how to get those sweet potato cubes cooked fast. And two, who doesn't love a little bonus nutrition on their sweet potato salad? We're gonna first start by making the dressing for the salad. I'm gonna make it a little healthier by not adding as much mayo. That's one of my pet peeves on creamy salads. Like, I don't really like a lot of mayo on my stuff. We are using the unsweetened plain Greek yogurt to cut down on the fat. We're gonna add that to the bowl. And then we're gonna add some mayo. Not a lot, use your favorite type. Obviously, before you leave a comment about dairy-free, if you need to make this dairy-free, you're gonna have to just go with full mayo for the recipe. So this time, we're gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Now, what can you add if you don't have dried thyme? Italian seasoning, for example, or herbs de Provence also. A little paprika, because I love paprika on everything. I'm from Spain, we use a lot of paprika. Of course, some salt, pepper. All right guys, so that's all that the dressing has. Just checking my ingredients. So the off-camera debate is the order in which the sweet potatoes go in. If you put them in now and then put everything else, you're probably gonna overfold them and they'll get mushier. So what I like to do, I actually like chunkier potato salad. So I'm gonna add all my ingredients into the bowl and then add my sweet potatoes last. So let's do some celery. I particularly like my celery chopped very fine. So, all right, let's put some of our finely chopped celery into our bowl. Green onions. We're gonna add the white parts in, and regular onions, we're also gonna add those in. Now the green onions, I'm gonna go ahead and chop now, but I usually like to just kind of put them on top for pretty nice sake. And of course, some hard-boiled eggs. Some people love hard-boiled eggs in the potato salad, some people don't, so that's up to you. So the egg, I do kind of give it a coarse chop. So at the end of the day, you can mix this now or put your sweet potatoes and mix it all together. Remember, the more you fold your sweet potatoes, the more they're gonna break down. So let's just mix all of these ingredients and then fold in our sweet potatoes. Okay, so on to the sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes, I know a lot of people hate making potato salad because they can be so time consuming. So what I did is I just washed and peeled the sweet potatoes and then put them in a 9x13 baking dish, added water, covered it with plastic wrap, and microwave cooked them. This way I didn't have to boil water, boil the potatoes, strain them. But all we gotta do is add our sweet potatoes onto our bigger bowl. Now we're just going to minimally fold the sweet potatoes in so the dressing covers all of it. Now, if you're in a really low carb diet and you're like, oh, I miss potatoes and sweet potatoes, you can swap the sweet potatoes for a cubed butternut squash. It is a lower carb, also a veggie, so it's a win-win. It's a great alternative to the sweet potato salad too. Last but not least, I'm gonna add the green onions, probably at the top. The dressing is distributed evenly everywhere. You can taste a little bit of the smoky paprika. And the sweet potato, it's really soft, but with the crunchiness of the celery and the onions. Make sure you grab the recipe right below this video. You're gonna wanna print it, pin it, all that good stuff. And you see that red subscribe button? That means when you click subscribe, you and I get to cook every single week. See you next time.